Hi, I'm Emari. In today's design session, we will be talking about how to declutter and detox your home. I'd like to show you a video clip where Kang Sara, played by a Korean actress, Lee Da-hee, gave her insight about a messy home. Check this video. Now you've seen the clip, I guess you know exactly why you need to declutter and detox your home and why it benefits you. Without further ado, let's begin. Your physical environment. Your physical environment helps you to be able to be a creative person despite of different ways of being creative. Physical health. This is the most visual thing that people would see about you. There are no available gyms and open gyms right now, and it's not an excuse for you not to be able to work on it, not to work on your physical aspect. You can check YouTube and other applications where you can exercise with or without an equipment. It's always good to be healthy. Mental health. That is why you have to have a clean home. You need to declutter for you to be able to cater your mental and physical health. Your physical health and mental health is important. When your physical space is clean and you're able to work on your physical health and your mental health, you will be very, very happy to see the results. And the only person who can assess that is you. Find a space that works well with you and be able to cater the needs of your well-being. Your virtual environment and your physical environment has to go along together. Working from home or work at home has never been trendier at this point. It's because of the pandemic. However, this kind of setup is no longer normal because it has been a lot of people has been doing this for decades. And if you also realize that most of you, even if you have an office, you even bring your work from home or you bring your work from the office to your home. Now, this is my tip for you. Set up a good place where you can work at home and at the same time, make sure that your background when you are working is pleasing to the eyes. Because who knows, you're going to have a virtual meeting because every now and then you will be doing that. So a solid good background is good for you, and to avoid people passing back and forth or doing some stuff that you don't want people to see. So it's good to have a good physical environment and a virtual environment should come together. Invest in plants. Right now is the time that you should invest in plants where you invest in time and purchasing it. You don't have to buy a lot of expensive ones, but at least you have a plant that where you can ease up your mental productivity as well. It has its own health benefits, which I recommend you. If you watch my previous videos, you can tell that I have been telling you to have a plant, indoor or outdoor. So at the end of the day, when you relax, you want to do something, you wanted to see some greenery, and that is so perfect. Outdoor. That's an integral part of our life because we always get to go out, wherever we are. We like to travel, we stop buying groceries or whatsoever. But having a good sunlight as well is another thing, you know. This is time that we have to appreciate the environment regardless of what the situation is. So, if you go outdoors, go out and have fun. It's time for you to go outdoors and enjoy the beautiful nature that surrounds you. And if you don't, just don't look at it. You can ride a bike for a eco-friendly ride. Plus, you can do an exercise at home, either in the road or in the subdivision you're living to. So, try that one. You should. Try neutrals. I suggest you use white colors or neutral colors on a lighter shade. Either you live in a small or big house, it really has a different effect. And also, this is my tip for you. When you use your neutrals, you don't have to go all the way in neutrals because you might find it a bore. And if you want, or you can also always add a hint of colors. That's what I would suggest you doing. So if you like orange, yellow, red, blue, whatever color it is, you can always add to it. Neutral colors really gives a timeless effect, and also it is a color that will blend in any other color palette. So it's up to you whether what you want to use. Your home has always been a multifunctional space. You may not have realized that, or that you have been using your home as an extension of your office, an extension of your creative lifestyle, such as going to the gym, going having coffee, or anything. Because your home is your primary creative space, and that is your own jungle as well. And you have to keep in mind that you have to declutter and detox every now and then. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to see you next time. So if you're planning to repurpose your space, such as simple decorations that can be done by you, but if you think you don't have the time or the expertise to do that, you should hire someone to do that for you. There are carpenters, there are electricians, or anything that you think that is beyond capability. And if you also want to lessen the hassle in your part, when in doubt, when it comes to your design and decorations or anything talks about interior design, you can always ask an interior designer. I'm just a phone call away, a message away, an email away. So, if you like this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching.